Smile. Bend your knees, facing your face. Face flat, right leg. Excuse me. Hip up. That's correct, yeah? Relax, relax, relax. Look. I can put this one, yeah? Better? Yeah? Hand here, hand here. Great. This is too high. Look, this is called hip area. Open the leg. Relax the body. Touch my knees. Wow. Flow in your body, yeah? Good? Alright, down. Sir, I come for you, Mr. Peter Park. The belt. Up. Look up, look up, look up. You stretch. Bend your knees. Child pose. Or just stay here. Stay there and 3. Push very up. Relax. 2, 2, and 1. Open. Push very up. Push very up. Push very up. To the side, yeah? So we're not doing like this, but open. Yeah? Much different, right?